Namaste, Saksaba, Cambodia. Morning Travels back at you guys. Today, some of you guys have asked for a more higher end house. How much is a non-budget house? And this is another great example of the range of value you can get right here in Cambodia. Siem Reap Cambodia specifically, but today I'm actually out in Pram Kram, just outside of town. This is a very expat friendly community here, and it's in a small village, and it's about 15 minutes on a motorbike, and that's perfect for the family or the husband and wife or the couple that lives together that would like to enjoy the country living in the village and yet not have to learn Khmer and deal with all the village stuff. It's a great way to introduce yourself to a wonderful country called Cambodia. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll talk about price, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. Let's check it out. Very well appointed place. This here is the little lounge area here outside. Great place to read a book and relax. It is about 90 degrees today here and sunny. It is rainy season. However, it is always a beautiful day here. Now, one thing about this place, guys, is it does have a full kitchen, 3 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms downstairs can be used as a garage. If you are an expat that wanted to go to Thailand for a month, let's say, you want to leave your things here, very lockable. You can put your motorbike right inside. This does come with a fully loaded kitchen, ready to move in. You guys just bring your suitcase, move in, and you're good to go. Whether you're looking for monthly, 6 months, 1 year, or long-term lease, they've got everything available for you. Let's go inside and check out the surroundings. I like the bicycles. They look really, really nice. I'm going to go for a ride now. It's got a nice little barbecue here, guys, as well. If you guys want to do some barbecuing, charcoal is a dime a dozen here. Look at the nice kitchen utensils here. They've got everything you guys need to enjoy your stay here in Cambodia. I like the fact that it's got a washer, too. How cool is that? And this is going to be the kitchen here. It is got your, of course, your washing machine, standard front load, and it's typical Cambodian shower, a modern toilet, and a nice sink, and of course you got a really nice shower as well. Hot water. There's 2 showers here, believe it or not. 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and this is, of course, the refrigerator. Very modern. The owner just bought it brand spanking new, and so that's kind of nice. And then, of course, this is the cooking range here for cooking your food. This is a pretty standard Cambodian kitchen here with the propane gas. There's no such thing as natural gas here in Cambodia. But you got a nice little area to chill here, as you can see, get up above the other sink here, and look how relaxing that is, guys. Wow. Go upstairs and check out the first bedroom. Wow, I really like this. Today I'm drinking a Boost Strong. How many of you guys been in Cambodia? Have you tried Boost Strong? Let me know in the comments down below. It's not like Monster Energy drink in America. There's really no rules here. It's just really, really full of sugar, but delicious. I like all the plants. It makes you really feel the nature. I can hear roosters and the sounds of birds chirping. Nice little daybed sitting outside here. I like this fan. What a nice added touch, especially on a day when it's hot like today, a little humid. Nice place to sit down and enjoy some coffee. Wow, look at that beautiful view. They've got a massive overhang here, everybody. And so whenever it's raining, you can just enjoy the sound of the rain without having to be getting wet. Let's go inside. Wow, look at that. Nice wardrobe. I like that. Fully ready to move in, guys. What are you thinking? Leave me your comments down below. Would you stay here? This is the view from inside the bedroom here. It's got air conditioning, which is nice. It also has a really nice fan and a nice little table there with a lamp. I like the artwork, nice added touch. Another bathroom upstairs, like I said, 2 full bathrooms. I like the plant, that's pretty cool. Let's check out the next room. It comes with a TV, a smart TV, and it's got, just enter in your YouTube credentials and bam, you got YouTube, or use it as a guest, Netflix, the whole enchilada. The TV is a smart TV. It's really nice added touch because cable and satellite are you can get here in Cambodia, but cable's not really like we would expect in America. And of course, who moves here to enjoy cable TV, but to be able to use your smart device and enjoy YouTube and other things on like a 48-inch television is pretty nice. Let's go check it out. I might take a nap. I don't know. This bed looks pretty cozy. I call this the honeymoon suite. Let's go. All right, let's go and check out the other room here, the TV room. I call it a day room or whatever you guys want to call it. Oh, wow. Look at that. I really like this. Air conditioning again, which is really nice for us Westerners. We love our air conditioning, do we not? You do get acclimated after a while once you live here. Look at that view, how beautiful. This is like an old farm area. If you've made it this far in the video, leave a palm tree emoji down in the comment section and I will heart it. So far, I really like this place. What I do like about it is that it's very modern and it's also very much in the country. You don't even feel like you're in Cambodia. You almost feel like you're back in America or the UK or wherever you migrated here from. So once again, if you guys are coming here on holiday, you're expat and your life going on here, or you're slow traveling, you're moving here, retiring here, whatever your thing, this is a place, if you got the budget, definitely worth checking out. If you guys haven't had a chance yet to like and subscribe to the channel, we appreciate if you like this video. It helps YouTube push this video out to other viewers out there who are looking for the same, oh, that was a fly, content that you're looking for. Let's get back in the video. I like this wraparound porch, and I like how they used the natural wood from the surrounding area. Look at that. Isn't that not cool? Yeah, nice added touch. This would be where you hang your laundry right here. A nice laundry rack here. Everything's air dried here. There's no dryers here like we see out west. And this is a screened in window, of course. I like the original Khmer style windows here. That's a nice added touch as well. Nice shoe rack, guys. You know, here in Asia, we don't wear our shoes inside. All right, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's break this down play by play, the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. The good is it's an exceptional value. It is discounted right now, guys. The regular going rate is $500 a month. But right now, you can get this if you mention Mahoney Travels at $400 a month. And that includes everything. Electricity, of course, is extra, and water. Wi-Fi is free and is included with the rent. It is a gated property, so there's at nighttime the gate is locked. Another thing I really like about this place is that it's just off the main road on the way to Phnom Krom. So it's actually down a side alley and a dirt road, and so it's very, very quiet, and it backs up to the rice paddies. One of the things I really liked, another rooster, is this is literally in the countryside. It's a small village, like I said, just outside of Siem Reap, and it's got a lot of great things going for it. You can have campfires here. You can have a barbecue every night of the week. There's also a small market walkable distance from here. You get fresh beef, fresh pork, fresh chicken. like 1800s America. I mean, it's fresh as fresh gets, all right, guys? And all your eggs, everything, your vegetables, if you want to cook at home, it's right up the road. Also, there's a small little like convenience store, Cambodian convenience store, where you can get all your beer, your wine, your water, your Coca-Cola, whatever it is that you like, your snacks, and they have a lot of variety there. Your charcoal, they also have ice as well. If you just moved to Cambodia, the owner does have motorbike rental service available for you as well, if that's something you like. I think it's a great feature to have, because a lot of people, when you first move here, you're just getting settled in and you just want to find a place to live, and this is a great place to chill. The motorbikes, I don't know the rates on those, but I do know you get a discounted rate by staying here as well, so that's kind of a nice bonus. And I know several people that stay in the apartments on the property. They're all Western. There's American, Belgium, Indian. There's a lot of variety of Westerners here. Everybody speaks English. The owner also speaks English. And so I can tell you it's a great value. I've met everybody here. I've been out here a lot. If you guys follow me on Facebook and TikTok, Mahoney Travels, you guys will see a lot of little play-by-play clips there. All right, let's talk about the bad. Although there's not much bad, I would say the only bad I can think of is if you were somebody who was not real comfortable, let's say, living out in the countryside, or you wanted to be living in town in Siem Reap, you're going to probably pay a lot more for a place like this, but everything's walkable, okay? You can ride a bicycle. Pass App is a very common ride service here, very inexpensive. They come all the way out here to the apartments, which is nice, but like I said, the distance might put a little bit, some people, a little bit at ease. There is a teacher that lives here as well, that lives in town or that works in town. He commutes every day, as well as some business people that literally work in town as well. So the other thing I would say is that for those of you that like your Western food but don't want to go into town, the food delivery services like Food Panda, for instance, they also deliver out here as well. Like I said, it's fairly close to town. It's not too far away, but it's not walkable, if that makes sense. If you guys are interested, I will leave the Facebook link for the beautiful garden apartments down below, and you can reach out to them directly to inquire with them about this place if you're interested. Let's talk about for what it's worth. There's exceptional value in Cambodia as an expat American living here. I can tell you that you can get everything from $50 a month and no air conditioning, bare bones room, for those of you on an extreme budget, to this is considered the higher end. I'm working on a new deal right now to show you guys another house, a brand new house, but it's going to be in the city, and it might be upwards of $500 a month. But I'm trying to show you guys a little more variety. I know a lot of you guys like the budget accommodations, but some of you have asked for the higher end, and this is on the higher end of the spectrum here in Cambodia. And of course, as an American, it's still very, very cheap. If you think about it, I don't think you can even get an apartment or a house this small or this great for less than $1,500 a month. So I still think it's a really great value for the money. So for what it's worth, I'd love to live here if I wanted to spend that kind of money. It's a great location and a great place. And for those of you that have a little more money to your name, and maybe you're retired, or maybe you're an older couple, or even a younger couple, and you work remotely, this is an ideal place. If you're a family moving here from the West, this is an exceptional place because it gives your children a great a safe area to play. There's a lot of children in the street that speak English here, in the neighbor area here. They're always playing outside, so I see them all the time. I come over and they say hello. So very friendly. The neighbors are all friendly. I've met many of the neighbors, and very, very friendly people out here. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe yet to the channel, please do so now. If you find any value from this, we appreciate it. And welcome to the Mahoney Travels YouTube family. We have a brand new podcast starting out this week. Can't wait to show you guys. For those of you guys that are doing the commuting, still in the West and still dreaming to get away to Cambodia, I've got something for you guys on those long commutes to work. But until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. See you guys in the next video.